Have you ever thought about making money with Amazon KDP only to quit because the process looked overwhelming? You need to find a profitable niche, write an entire book, design a professional cover, format everything correctly, optimize keywords, and finally publish it. For most beginners, that's enough to stop before they even publish their first book. But what if one tool could simplify much of that workflow? Today, I'm reviewing BookFlipper AI to see what it actually does, who it's best for, and whether it's worth your investment. The problem: the biggest challenge with Amazon KDP isn't publishing. It's everything that comes before publishing. Researching profitable topics can take hours. Writing a quality manuscript can take weeks. Hiring freelancers for writing, cover design, and formatting can become expensive. That's why AI-powered publishing tools have become so popular. Their goal isn't to replace your judgment, it's to reduce repetitive work so you can focus on creating better books. What is BookFlipper AI? BookFlipper AI is an all-in-one platform designed to help you create books for Amazon KDP. Instead of switching between multiple tools, it brings several publishing tasks into one workflow. You can discover book niches with demand, analyze competing titles, generate a draft manuscript, create a book cover, format your book for KDP, generate keyword ideas and categories, prepare Kindle, paperback, and hardcover editions. Everything is cloud-based, so you can access it from virtually anywhere with an internet connection. What I like. What impressed me most is how much time it can save. Instead of starting every project from a blank page, you begin with research and a structured draft. That alone can remove one of the biggest obstacles for new publishers. I also like that it combines several tools into one dashboard. Rather than paying for separate software for writing, covers, formatting, and keyword research, everything is organized in a single workflow. That said, it's important to keep realistic expectations. AI-generated content should always be reviewed and refined before publication. Editing, fact-checking, and improving your manuscript can make a significant difference in quality. And remember, publishing a successful book still depends on choosing a good niche, creating value for readers, and marketing effectively. Is it worth it? If you're looking for a tool that can reduce the amount of manual work involved in Amazon KDP publishing, BookFlipper AI is worth considering. It's especially useful for beginners who don't know where to start, side hustlers building a publishing business, entrepreneurs who want a more streamlined workflow, publishers looking to create books more efficiently. If you're expecting software to generate effortless income with no editing or promotion, this probably isn't the right expectation. Like any publishing business, results depend on the quality of your books, market demand, and the work you put into improving and promoting them. Overall, I think BookFlipper AI offers a convenient way to simplify many of the technical steps involved in Amazon KDP publishing. If you've been delaying your first book because the process feels complicated, a tool like this can help you get started faster while keeping everything organized in one place. If you'd like to learn more, check out the link below to see the current pricing, available bonuses, and whether BookFlipper AI is the right fit for your publishing goals. Thanks for watching.